Hey everybody, just doing a little bit of a showcase today on my French Languedoc French Indian War miniatures, and these were by Minden Miniatures, and so these are French Fusiliers. And yeah, really happy with the way these came out. I'm more pleased than the last time I've done them, which I guess is good. I just kind of highlighted up the blues a little more, did a bit more work on the faces, and I have been slowly going backwards and working on some of my original miniatures that were French by Minden Miniatures, doing the same kind of work to try to get them up to kind of how I'm painting them today. And yeah, I'm really happy with these. It was a lot of fun to paint. I'm actually starting to appreciate more and enjoy painting larger units. I used to have a bit more of a harder time with that, and now I'm actually kind of really, as long as I really like the miniatures that I'm painting, I really kind of enjoy having this sort of project on the table that I can kind of go by and see them all ranked up. And once I get to a certain stage, it starts getting progressively more fun, at least from my perspective, when I get them to go from gray primer to finished product. Yeah, and so quite pleased with these. I hope you guys enjoy them. And I'm going to do a French Indian War update and what's next update in the near future, rather than doing it as part of this video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and talk to you later.